achy from playing with the garden and the mulch.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning or good afternoon. Oh my God. Akala ko, ano na, yung mulch i-deliver. I-deliver yung mulch. Hanap tayo ng medyas. Kasi wala na akong medyas. So, ngayon pala, it's almost 12 o'clock na. Tumawag sila. Yeah, 11:43 ng umaga. And tumawag sila para i-deliver yung mulch. So, after this one, kakain muna ako bago ako mag-mulching. Alam nyo guys, ang ginaw sa labas. Sobrang ginaw. As in, sabi ko bukas na i-deliver kasi maganda yung temperature. Ngayon, iwan ko na lang. So, hintayin natin ang ginaw guys. Grabe ang ginaw. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Oh my God, ngayon ako mag-ano talaga. Nga sobrang ginaw. Kaluka. I can't do it. It's sobrang ginaw. Oh, sobrang ginaw. Grabe. Yung tainga ko sumakit. At saka sobrang yung hangin. Yun yung hangin talaga nagpaginaw sa lahat. Grabe ang ginaw. Iwan ko na lang yung mga halaman ko, yung Pero the next day, maganda na yung Pero, nasa 40s pa rin pag gabi. Pero ngayon, I feel like baba sa 30 yung feel. Kahit hindi 30 yung feel, yung temperature is nasa 40. Look, 40 maginaw. Plus yung hangin, nasa 29, 28 yung feel sa labas. So ngayon, andun si Tami sa labas. Naghihintay siya sa na mag-deliver. And then ako, anuhin ko lang din siya. Titingin lang din ako dito sa window kasi kamen, dito na sila. Okay, let's see. Doon. Go. Oops, oops.
How's it going?
Okay, andito na siya guys.
Nice and easy. How's your day going? Oh, great. Springtime. Oh, it's our last spring. I know. We've had some nice weather, but
Wala, ang dami.
this stuff here is just, I don't know.
Okay, Tommy, don't be there. You're blocking.
Relax.
Oh, it's a lot.
That's what we always want to hear. What do people go, coffee or something? What's that? Coffee or something? No, thank you. I've been drinking coffee all morning. I was just thinking I gotta do something because my head's starting to get jittery. Get your soda or water. No, get back to the shop. Feel my stomach, I'll be better.
Oh my God, that's a lot.
Now it's too much.
Oh my
I drink
God.
coffee all day. Let's see.
Okay.
There we go. Right.
Now, it's your turn to...
Well, you think that's enough?
Oh, hopefully, because, hopefully. Or... Wow. What? Okay, it's time to to open the garage because the doon. So I guess I'm going to start. Let's open the garage.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. you're calling me up. At the same time, I'm in the daylight, you're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out, yeah. Talking about nothing, then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out.
Kapagod. Yung sipon ko tumutulo dahil sa ginawa. It's snowing a little bit. Yeah, this time it's like a lot more white, but I can't stop. I came in because my nose is dripping. Nakakaloka guys kasi sobrang ginaw. Tingnan nyo. I don't know if you can see the mata sa mukha ko, sobrang pula. And then yung ilong ko is tulo ng tulo. And then atching ako ng atching dahil sa abog kasi sobrang hangin. Yung dust ng pag every time na maganon ka. Bahala as Batman. Lumaya na tayo maligo. Maganda na siya. Yung mga bato-bato hindi ko pa yan anuhin. Tapusin ko muna to guys. Tapusin ko to. Ano yun, ipakita ko sa inyo pagkatapos, okay? Ito hindi ko nalagyan dito kasi para meron tayong daanan. ang ginaw sa labas. Yung ilong ko is tumutulong-tulo talaga. So ngayon, it's very windy. Hindi pa ako tapos. Konti lang yung naano ko gawa. Pero babalik ako. Inano ko lang yung ilong ko. Grabe, tulo ng tulo. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung matapos ko ngayong araw. Pero hindi ko na kayo dalhin sa labas. Kasi hindi, wala din. Sobrang hangin din. Matutumba kayo. Hi guys, tingnan mo na. Hindi pa ako tapos yung mata ko sa hangin at saka sa ginaw. Tignan nyo tong mata ko. Sobrang ginaw at saka yung lips ko is sobrang nag-crack talaga. Iyon. Sobrang ginaw kasi yung hangin at saka nag-ano pa guys, yung parang snow. Palagi siyang nag-i-snow pero dahan-dahan lang siya. Parang sobrang puti na balls. White. Hindi siya snowflake. Parang maliliit na round. Sobrang puti. Magwash tayo ng face mamaya. Sobrang pula ng mata ko. Pula siya guys in real life. Dahil ito sa ano ginaw. Anong oras na ba? Almost 5 o'clock na pala. Kanina pa ako guys. Yung mata ko talaga sumasakit sa ginaw. Oh God, grabe. Anyway, so bukas ko na lang i-continue. Hindi pa ako talaga totally tapos. Ipakita ko nga sa inyo. Dito lang tayo. Hindi na tayo lalabas kasi wala akong jacket. So, dito lang ako nagtapos. Tami, nag-survey na si Tami. Oh. Nag-survey na si Tami. Diyan lang ako nag-end. Oh. Hindi pa nga halfway lang. So, yun. Hindi. Pero dito, okay na dito. Bukas na ako continue. Kasi, sobrang hirap. Mahirap pala mag-mulch. Masakit sa likod. Nagpapala ka, diba? Pinapala mo siya. Nilagay mo sa wheelbarrow. Pagkatapos yan, hindi ko totally parang ilagay lahat yung nasa wheelbarrow, ilagay sa garden. Kasi, mahirap. Kasi matabunan yung mga halaman. So, kailangan kong may pala na naman pang snow na maliit. Plastic, magaan. So, yun na lang yung pinapalo ko. Ginaganon ko isa-isa. So, yun na lang yung ginawa ko kasi sobrang hindi ko pwedeng maganon-ganon lang basta kasi may mga maliliit akong tinatanim, diba? Oh, my baby is feeding the kids. And I see something over there. What did you put? Hala, you put cheese?
No, it's turkey.
Turkey and what? Bologna? Ham? You're such a bologna, honey. Okay, Han, the wind is still kicking, Han.
What?
The wind is still kicking.
Yes, hon.
Oh my God, I can't believe I survived for 4 hours out there.
Salami with cheese?
No. I can't believe I survived out there. That's why right now, yung tainga ko, it feels like, I feel like my ear is gonna tanggal. Guys, I feel so very, nanglagom akong wait, guys. Han, I feel like my lips is lagom, Han. Han, I feel like I'm nang lagom dahil sa tugnaw.
Yeah, she is, guys. She's all worn out and achy from playing with the garden and the mulch. And she took a hot shower to ease her muscles, and now she's in the massaging chair. Figure maybe that'll ease her muscles. But she's not as asleep as you think.
I guess my hair is still wet. So tiring, guys. This massage chair.
I told her go soak her head, and she did.
But it's really, this chair really helps my leg area.
You just knocked out your computer.
It's okay. Is it clear?
What then? What would I do there?
Rox, go see if your mama's okay.
You should use the leg area, honey.
Yeah, I know. Go give your mama kisses. Give your mama kisses. She's waiting for you. Yeah.
Oh, God. Basa pa itong buhok ko, guys. Tignan nyo naman yung sarili ko. Ang maganda pala itong sa leg na area, sa legs, kasi ini-squeeze niya yung yung legs mo. Yan, ini-squeeze yung legs. I think I can put the foot in here too. Right, Han?
Yeah.
The foot like this. Look. Like that. Oh, masarap siya, guys. It really feels good, Han. You massage. You put your foot like this, and look, you put it like this. Oh my God, it's really that's the massage that you like. Alam nyo guys, nagka-purple itong white ko guys. Yung lips ko is naging purple. Yung feeling ko hindi masyadong maginaw. Pero yung lips ko kanina purple na pala. And then ngayon purple pa rin konti. So, at saka kaya pala yung mata ko ganun. Kasi yung katawan ko is sobrang ginaw guys. As in dahil sa hangin. 40 degree plus hangin ganun. Pero hindi ko siya napifeel kasi di ba gumagalaw ako ganun. So, hindi ko napifeel yung ginaw. Dahil sa, you know, may ginagawa ka. Pero kung nakatindig ka lang doon, si Tami nga, sabi niya hindi daw niya inakala na nakasurvive ako. Si Tami, nagustuhan niya yung ano. Maganda talaga pag may mulch na. Yung hangin ba, grabe pa rin. Hala, snow? Hala, nag-snow. Nag-snow. Tignan nyo naman yan. Nag-snow. Oh, nag-snow talaga guys. Grabe naman ito. Yung ano natin, instead of itim, pula na, o itim, puti na. Tingnan nyo. Instead of itim, puti na. Kaloka talaga. Hala, nag-snow pa siya guys. Kaloka. Mamamatay yung mga inano ko, tinanim. Mamamatay talaga yung tinanim ko kasi nag-snow pa oh. Bahala na sa Batman eh. Bahala sila eh. Ayaw ko na sa mundo. So, paano na itong mga tanim ko doon? Patay. Patay yun. Pero sabi pa, rain will stop in 1 minute. Well, hindi man taon yun rain. Snowman. Kaya pala sabi ko, bakit puti? Bakit ang daming puti sa labas? Yung mga tinanim ko, napagasto tayo ng pera na malaki and then mamamatay lang. Pero bukas, maganda daw yung panahon bukas, mga nasa 60. So, maganda yung sana naman, okay, di ba? Kasi, napagasto ako sa mga halaman ko, mga 100 plus gid yung mga halaman ko, guys. And then, mamamatay lang. I'm going to end the vlog, guys, kasi sakit talaga ng katawan ko. Si Tami naliligo, ako din, maaga akong sa bed kasi wala, yung katawan ko is, nag-give up na yung katawan ko. But anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Salamat guys sa panonood guys. Wala akong ganap ngayong araw kasi na-busy ako sa labas. Hindi nga ako masyadong nag-vlog sa labas kasi, yun, sobrang busy. Gusto ko talagang tapusin siya kasi ang daming mulch. So kung daming mulch, sandi uulan, and then, yung pinaka doon sa labas, sa front, namin, sa front yard, gusto kong lagyan din yung mga kahoy para may mulch yung kahoy. So, let's see. Kasi, let's see lang talaga. Anyway, salamat guys. I will see you guys tomorrow.